Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I am here to share a vegan cuts box with you. Now, I subscribed and I was like, oh my god, everything's adding up to so much money, I can't do this, and I ended up unsubscribing. However, I did manage to get the box that I paid for when I first joined, and it's really nice, like really nice as in maybe this is like the box I should be getting. I really wanted March because they had a big giant thing of oil. I'm like a fool for like big droppers full of oil. So I don't know why, but they get me. They always get me. So anyway, I'm going to open this up. I did look because I just couldn't wait. And the box was like bursting to set itself free. So anyway, here is what I saw when I opened it. It's really overstuffed, I think mainly because it's got that thing of makeup wipes in it. I don't really use makeup wipes very much anymore. Mostly use my microfiber cloths and makeup remover, but I'm definitely not opposed to makeup wipes anymore. So anyway, I'm just going to start picking off the top because I'm never going to get all this stuff back in. And I'm not going to be able to read the card to you because I don't know where my glasses are. So I won't be able to tell you how much everything is because I don't see them here. Yeah, they're not in the drawer here either, so I don't know. I really need to clean this office. It's like ridiculous. I come in here and I work, and then I take care of my sick person dressings. And then I take them to doctor's appointments, and I come here and I try to tape, and in between all those times, I never quite managed to fit in the clean up the office thing, and it's gotten really atrocious. So anyway, this box, everything is cruelty free, and obviously vegan, which is nice. So there's no animal byproducts or anything in any of this stuff. Okay, so this is a lip thing. I'm not going to open it because I have a whole bunch of lip things. I have one chapstick that is almost gone, and the rest of what I have is like cruelty-free lip stuff. So I'm not going to open this because I already have a couple of those cruelty-free ones open already. But yeah, it's really nice to get one of these. It is Crazy Rumors Hibiscus. Kiss. The next thing I'm pulling out is, you know what, I'm going to pull the big thing of wipes out. This is a really generous size facial wipes, and it is by the company Yes2. Obviously they are cruelty free and vegan, because otherwise they would not be in this box. And I am kind of looking forward to trying these. These are vitamin enriched facial wipes. So I guess after you wipe your makeup off, you'd let it sit for a little while before you wash your face. I don't know. Because otherwise you're just washing the vitamins down the drain. And that's not a good thing. So, but anyway, these are nice. I have used Yes2 wipes before. This is Yes2 Carrots. Next thing is something from Derma E, and it is a company that I have learned to love. And this is Microdermabrasion Scrub. You know, I don't know if it's a spring cleaning thing or what, but every box that I've been getting has a scrub in it. So, yeah, so it's got scrub in it. I'm not going to open that. I don't want to smell it or mess with it yet. You might notice I don't always open all my products because sometimes I already have something that I'm using that is similar or the same. And that is the case for this Orglamix highlighter. Now, I already have one and I have it open. And I'm trying to use it up. These things, they take forever. Even though it looks like there's not a lot in there, they take forever to use up because with highlighter, you don't slather that on. So anyway, this is another one. This is another Orglamix highlighter in the color, I believe, Illume, which I already have and I really like. Okay, so there's 2 more things left in here. Yeah, this was more than 5 items, wasn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay, so next thing came in this burlap bag, and it says tree to tub, and yeah, it's got a card in here that explains who they are. I'm not sure. I saw this when I opened it, and it's got like some kind of little seed in it, so I don't know what to do with this. I know it's related somehow to whatever scent they used for what turns out to be shampoo. So it's a neat little thing. It's a cloudy shampoo, so I guess you should shake it up before you use it. But I guess it's got the oil of whatever that thing is in there. I'm not sure. It might say on here, put the this berry lathers. But apparently this lathers up when you wet it. That's kind of cool and really like, wow. Science is amazing. Anyway, that is kind of like really cool and mind-boggling at the same time. So anyway, there that is. And there's one last thing, and I saved this for last because I think it might be one of my favorite things to start using right away. It is Mr. B's Scent of Nature, Scented Nature. Anyway, it's a facial mist and toner. It came in this really cool little blue bottle, and I love mists now. This is like a really generous box, and it has so much stuff that I really know that I'm going to enjoy using. So yeah, this is like a really great box. I still kind of wish I got the March box with that oil in it, but anyway, I am going to enjoy this, and who knows, you know, if I enjoy it enough, this might be the box that I convert over to. It's more expensive than Boxycharm though. 22, I believe it said $22.99 or something like that when I got this. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That actually helps me. If you're not already subscribed, please join the Reviewer's Diary family and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell because it'll tell you when I put up a new video. And yeah, this is really cool. I kind of like this. So thank you very much and have a beautiful evening. Good night.